Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Everyone wants to grow their wealth, but not everyone knows the exact steps. In this video, I'll share 5 proven ways to build and grow your wealth over time. The first step is to increase your income. Look for opportunities to earn more, ask for a raise, start a side hustle, or learn a new skill that makes you more valuable in the job market. Step 2 is to save consistently. Treat saving as a bill you pay to yourself first. Automate your savings so that a portion of every paycheck goes directly into your savings account before you spend a single dollar. Step 3 is to avoid bad debt. High interest loans and credit card balances can destroy your wealth. Pay off debt quickly, and borrow only when it's for something that increases your future value. Step 4 is to invest smartly. Wealth grows when your money works for you. Invest in assets that increase in value over time, like stocks, index funds, real estate, or even your own business. Remember, time in the market beats time in the market. Step 5 is to keep learning. Wealthy people never stop improving their knowledge. Read finance books, take online courses, and follow experts who can guide your financial growth. The more you learn, the more you earn. To grow your wealth, remember these 5 steps. Increase income, save consistently, avoid bad debt, invest smartly, and never stop learning. Which one will you start with today? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wealth building tips.